A machinist creates a solid steel part for a wind turbine engine. The part has a volume of 1,015 cubic centimeters. So I want to just draw, let's say this part looks like this prism-y looking thing, okay? And the volume is 1,015 cubic centimeters, so centimeters cubed. Steel can be purchased for $1.29 per kilogram. So the price of this steel is 0.29 per kg. So actually I'm going to use a different symbol there. I'm going to say P is equal to this dollar figure. And then the density of the steel, which I wanted to note with capital D, is 7.95 grams per centimeters cubed. If the machinist makes 500 of these parts, what is the cost of the steel to the nearest dollar? And so I'm going to use N to represent the total number of parts here. Okay, so there are 500 of these things that he's making. Okay, so if I know the volume, I want to convert this into the weight or the mass, which I want to denote by capital M, right? So I need to figure out what that is. So if I have 1,015 centimeters cubed, and I want to convert this into grams, and I'm told 7.95 grams per 1 cubic centimeter, where should the 7.95 go? I want the centimeters cubed to cancel, so therefore I need the centimeters cubed to be in the denominator as well. I'm going to have 7.95 grams in the numerator, so therefore the centimeters cubed will cancel, and I'm going to be left with grams as a result of this. So let's see what that is. 7.95 times 1,015. So 7.95 times 1,015. This will be 8,069.25. So 8,069.25 grams. Since everything here is operating in kilograms, I'm going to convert this into kilograms. So 8,069.25 grams into kilograms. I know that there's 1,000 grams per 1 kilogram. So I'm going to be dividing by 1,000. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to divide by 1,000. So I get 8.06925. So this is going to be 8.06925 kg. So now that I know the mass of one of these things, and I will need to make 500 of these things, or the machinist will need to make 500 of these, right? So we're going to multiply this by 500. So this times 500. So we're going to need 4,034.625. 4,000, so again, 8.06925 times 500. This will give me, what was that again? 4,034.625 kilograms. So all 500 parts will require 4,034.625 kilograms worth of steel. So now, in our last step, we're going to figure out the price. Since I have 4,034.625 kilogram worth of steel, and per kilogram, it's 29 cents, so 1 kilogram is 29 cents. Again, I want the kilograms to cancel, so that's why the kilogram should be in the denominator there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply this by 0.29. So let's multiply that. So times 0.29, and that will be $1,170.04. So this will be 1170.04. And I believe it did say round to the nearest cent, didn't it? No, to the nearest dollar. So $1,100 $1,170 then. This is going to be the final answer.